evening, everyone. Welcome to today's session. I'm Ruchita, your host. Today will be a culmination of all that we've learned in this community. We've been meeting weeks after weeks in discussing all of these topics in so much detail. And today we'll learn how to consistently adopt a better lifestyle and an improved health span. To walk us through, we have two very esteemed speakers with us tonight. It is my honor and privilege to invite Farooq Tarapur to start the session. He, ladies and gentlemen, is an Olympian, two-time world champion in sailing, and has had an active sporting career of 40 years. He's won innumerable awards like Chhatrapati Shivaji Award and the Arjuna Award. But most importantly, he's a flag bearer on this journey with the mission Har Ghar Healthy, Har Ghar Medicine Free. Let's from him and welcome him on this virtual stage, guys.
Thank you, Ruchita, and welcome to this exciting Friday session. I hope you had your early dinner and done some exercise, because of what you can do is to have a late night dinner and then go to sleep. I mean, this is one single factor of tremendous impact on your overall health. To understand the difference between health span and lifespan, you need to be connected in a community, which keeps on continuously reminding you about, what are the good things to be done to have a good, healthy span as compared to just, relying on medication and having a longer lifespan. It is all about habits. And it takes time to form good habits. And why are these habits important? Because once you have formed good habits, you will be uncomfortable doing the wrong things. And once you are uncomfortable doing the wrong things, you start doing the right things by default. Subconsciously, you will not do silly things that will impact your health. Like I find people, if there's got a plate of peanuts in front of them, they will be, like eating them like as if there was no tomorrow, and they will be eating them without application of mind. Now, this is a dangerous thing. And once you realize that, okay, this is dangerous, and then you sort of don't do it, it sort of helps you in your overall health. So today, listen to Raj, because, he's compiled the whole thing as to everything that you've learned so far on this community, as to what is good, what's bad for you. And if you listen to him carefully, it will have a great impact on your overall health. So over to Raj.
Thank you very much, Farooq. Thank you very much. And yeah, that's the best part about this whole holistic program, because what we learn over here is a complete package about a health. I mean, a complete approach towards a holistic health. And as Farooq rightly said, the most important of this is our health span matching our lifespan? And that is the most important thing. So today, this is the summary of all the things that we have learned. So what we'll be running through is 11 important points. And this 11 points makes this unique. And this habits is something that we can take it for the rest of our life. So आज ही मैं अपने friend के साथ बैठा था, and he was asking me कि there are so many talks which is happening about health and all everything. इतना क्या different है इसमें? And I said, it's written in the name. It is Live 360, which is a complete holistic approach about the health, right? So you don't have to worry about lifestyle disorders, or अगर किसी को कोई lifestyle disorder है, so how to reverse that is what you will learn. So आज हम इसकी summary देखने जा रहे हैं, and we are going to discuss the habit. So let's see healthy habits, what are they and how it can help us to have a great health. First and the most important is, are you drinking enough water? Now, we all know that our body tries to tell us when it needs water. But if you're feeling thirsty, by the time you feel thirsty, your body has already lost 2% of its water. Now, ये मेरे साथ बहुत होता था कि पानी तब पियो जब एकदम एक्सट्रीम प्यास लगने लगे, उस समय पानी पियो. And then when I became a part of this program, that's when I started understanding the importance of it. और अभी भी मैं आपके साथ बैठा हूँ, there is this bottle of water in my hand जो मैं लेके बैठा हूँ. Second, muscular cramps and headaches might happen as well. राइट? बहुत बार हमें हेडेक होता है या मस्कल क्रैम्प्स होता है, हमें लगता है कि शायद ये कुछ और फटीग रीजन है, फटीगनेस की वजह से हो रहा है, बट एक्चुअली इट इज द lack of water in the body. Third is dry mouth, rough skin, feeling irritable, dizzy or tired. And the fourth point is you might also have trouble concentrating, or your urine could become darker in color. So हमने hydration के बारे में enough देखा था. There were sessions where we covered all about hydration and what is the importance of this in the body, right? Now, 8 best times to drink water after we wake up, because it activates our internal organs. After workout, that's very, very important because it's bring heart rate back to normal. Half an hour before a meal because it helps in digestion. Before taking a bath. ना मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि अक्सर मैंने ये बचपन में सुना था दैट डोंट टेक अ शावर इमीडिएटली आफ्टर हैविंग फूड. नाउ ये कहीं ना कहीं उस आंसर को कवर करता है, उस थॉट को कवर करता है, बिकॉज इट्स हेल्प्स टू लोअर द ब्लड प्रेशर. Before going to the bed, replenish any fluid loss. When you are feeling sick, hydrate your body for proper function. When you feel tired, recharge your system. When you are surrounded by infected and sick people, water is the immediate best remedy, because अगर आपका body hydrated है, your probability of falling sick will be far less compared to if you're not hydrated enough, because it doesn't let settle infection in the body, right? Second most important thing, what we learned in the program was, or we are learning, right? Because this is an ongoing journey, that are you practicing portion control? Do you know that portion control helps you get the benefits of the nutrient in the food without overeating? Now, there is a difference between portion size versus serving size. I might be taking one serve of a particular thing, but अगर मैं portion control करूंगा तो शायद मैं vitamin, mineral, बाकी चीजों पे भी focus कर सकते हैं. तो it is very important to understand the difference between portion versus serving size. Let's see कैसे होने चाहिए हमारे portions, right? Protein. आप देखेंगे कि पाम एरिया के बराबर, ये जो पाम एरिया है, इतना इतना हमको प्रोटीन कंज्यूम करना चाहिए, इतना हमको वेजिटेबल्स लेना चाहिए, इतना हमको कार्ब्स खाना चाहिए. जो कप जो आता है हमारे ये हाथ के बीच में जो फिट होता है, एंड ये जो थंब का जो टिप है, इतना हमको, इतनी सर्विंग हमको फैट्स लेनी चाहिए. सो अगर आपने पोर्शन समझ लिए, इट विल हेल्प यू टू डिजाइन योर प्लेट इन अ करेक्ट फैशन. बिकॉज अगर आपका प्लेट करेक्ट तरीके से डिजाइन होगा तो योर बॉडी विल गेट द राइट सेट ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स दैट इट नीड्स. Right? So portion control advocates simply comparing the serving size of the food to the similar things, right? Are you chewing your food adequately? ना हम सब ने बचपन में सुना था कि फूड को 32 टाइम्स च्यू करना चाहिए. ना ये मैंने बचपन से बहुत बार सुना था, बट जब मैं इसके बारे में डेलिबरेट हो गया था, एंड व्हेन आई इनिशियली स्टार्टेड काउंटिंग हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डू आई च्यू माय फूड, इट वाज लाइक हार्डली 4-6 या मैक्सिमम 7 तक जाता था. नाउ व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ च्यूइंग और फूड 32 टाइम्स, जो हमें बचपन से बताया जाता है? यू आर ईटिंग स्लोली, एंड बिकॉज यू आर ईटिंग स्लोली, आपका जो डाइजेशन है वो अच्छा होता है. इट रिड्यूसेस द कैलोरी कंजम्पशन इन द बॉडी. यू फील फुलर फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. आपकी जो क्रेविंग्स है ये ड्रॉप हो जाती है, कम हो जाती है. और एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इट प्रिवेंट्स अस फ्रॉम ओवर ईटिंग. एंड दिस इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ वाई वी शुड च्यू आवर फूड इन द राइट टाइम, मतलब जितनी बार उसको च्यू करना चाहिए. How can we incorporate the practice of chewing in our daily lives, right? हम ये कैसे कर सकते हैं? Plan your meals beforehand, because अगर आप plan करके अपने meal को खाते हैं, now I like the the probability of you picking up a right thing or a right dish is much higher. एंड कई बार ऐसा होता है, अगर हमने प्लान नहीं किया तो हम शॉर्टकट की तरफ जाते हैं, और बिकॉज हम शॉर्टकट की तरफ जाते हैं, वी टेंड टू ईट मोर जंक. Right? Second is your choose the food which is rich in fiber. Don't stand and eat, because जब आप बैठ के खाते हो, आपके gut health के लिए बहुत important है. Avoid any sort of distractions. बचपन में मुझे बोला जाता था कि अगर आप टीवी देख के खाओगे तो आप ज्यादा खाओगे, बिकॉज आई वॉज अ स्लो ईटर, आई वॉज अ वेरी वेरी स्लो ईटर, एंड आई यूज्ड टू ईट वेरी लिटिल. और तब मुझे माय वन ऑफ आवर नेबर आंटी, शी यूज्ड टू टेल मी कि आप टीवी देख के खाओ तो आप ज्यादा खाओगे और आप भूल जाओगे जितना खाना है. थैंक गॉड वो हैबिट मेरे साथ बहुत दिन तक नहीं चली, बिकॉज जब आप डिस्ट्रैक्टेड होते हो, यू टेंड टू ईट मोर, राइट? अवॉइड टॉकिंग or working while eating the food. Very, very important, eat slowly and put down spoon after each bite. Very, very important, because most of us हम क्या करते हैं, by the time that once that one bite has gone in the mouth, हम second को already ready कर रहे होते हैं. But जब आप spoon नीचे रखोगे, probability of you chewing your food 32 times is much higher. Are you able to manage your cravings? Now cravings क्यों होती है? ये because of the hormone होती है, brain इसको trigger करता है. Very nice session we covered on this. Now, do you know our brain and hormones play a significant role in our cravings? So जब आपकी craving हो रही है, don't beat yourself too much. It is just you need to set up the right habits. That is very, very important. Because ये भी एक reason है. Either the craving is because of lack of water in the body or lack of nutrition, या फिर lack of protein, इसके वजह से craving होती है. और protein आपके hormone को control करने में एक big way में it helps in that. So it's very important to understand that craving होती क्यों और हम इसको कैसे control कर सकते हैं. Now, some of the tips to manage your craving, stay hydrated. As I said, water. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि we misunderstand. हमें लगता है हमें craving हो रही है, but actually it is like because you have not hydrated enough. आपको पानी पीने की तलब होती है, लेकिन हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें कुछ खाने की वो इच्छा हो रही है. So stay hydrated. Keep healthy food handy. This is very, very important. You know, you should have your options in hand very clearly. Because अगर option नहीं होएगा, the probability of we eating junk is much higher. Include protein in your meals and work on your stress level, because जब हम stressful होते हैं, we tend to eat more and we tend to eat junk. Are you breathing enough? Very, very important point. मुझे पहले पता ही नहीं था कि deep breathing के क्या फायदे होते हैं. So breathing through a natural process can be harnessed for various health benefits like physical, emotional and mental well-being. बहुत बार मुझे ऐसे पहले लगता था कि मुझे एक sound sleep नहीं आ रही है. And when I started practicing this habit, that just before the sleep, I used to take deep breath and I started getting very sound sleep. Now, do you know that just 20 to 30 minutes of daily practice of breathing can yield in substantial benefits of your health? ये कुछ practices है जो हम follow कर सकते हैं. I'll not get into कपालभाति, अनुलोम विलोम, ये सारी चीजें हैं जो breathing के बारे में है. जब आप इस session को regularly देखेंगे, there is a special session only on breathing and its importance. ये प्राणायाम है, आप कैसे inhale, hold, exhale and hold out, अगर आप इन चीजों को balance करेंगे, so इसका जो benefits है, that is like balancing, calming, energizing, ये सारे benefits आप देखेंगे जब आप इसको अच्छे से practice करना शुरू करेंगे, right? Are you getting enough sound sleep? Now, this is very, very important factor. You know, before COVID, one of the major reason for the lifestyle disorders used to be the food that we used to eat and the quality of that food. But now, especially post-COVID, one of the major factors that has added to that bucket is sound sleep. Sleep has become a major issue these days, and it is increasing day by day. We are not getting sound sleep. Now, इसका impact क्या होता है? Right? Now, do you know that people getting less than 6 hours of sleep at night are more likely to gain weight and higher BMI? हमने जब पर्सनल असेसमेंट की थी लोगों की, like in terms of overweight and all those stuff, what we realized that it was not the eating habit, it was actually the lack of sleep that was causing the weight gain. So that used to be the main key area. Now, ये होता क्या है, अगर आपकी sound sleep हो रही है, you can concentrate better. You will also have a better memory and recall. It aids creativity, helps you make better decisions, reduce focus on negative things. Yeah, na? Very, very important. And stronger immune system. Your immune also becomes very, very strong. Now, some of the tips to get a sound sleep: take a bath before the sleep, put on your pajamas on time, comb your hair preferably, brush your teeth before going to the bed, read a book and go to the bed. Now, this reading the book is very, very important. What types of book you select, because that is the last information that you're feeding in your subconscious mind. And this is when your body is sleeping, but your subconscious mind is working during that time. So these are some of the tips. You know, this is like creating a pattern. Now, the minute you do that pattern, वो सब body को समझ में आने लगता है कि now it needs to prepare for the sleep. So it is very, very important. You know, Japanese did this very nice research on this subject. And उसके पहले what they were figuring out that लोग एक ही रूम में सारा काम कर रहे थे, and because of which their sleep was disturbed. What they figured out was within one single room, they could create areas, like for example, this is a working area, this is the area where you should have food, this is the area where you need to sleep. And what they figure out, the minute आप उस area में जाते हो जहाँ पे आपको सोना है, people who were practicing this habit, they had a much better quality of sleep compared to others. सो जब आप एक पैटर्न क्रिएट कर ले तो आप देखोगे आपकी स्लीप का जो पैटर्न है वो बहुत इंप्रूव हो जाता है एंड यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग साउंड स्लीप एंड स्लीप एक बहुत बड़ा रीजन है आपके ग्रेट हेल्थ के लिए. Are you talking back to your negative emotions? Sometimes we are too hard on ourselves. हम कई बार अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा जज कर लेते हैं. We don't give ourselves that space. So what happens? Our thoughts, they determine our belief. दो तीन थॉट्स आने की देरी है एंड वी स्टार्ट बिलीविंग कि भाई मैं तो ऐसा ही हूं, मेरे साथ तो यही हो सकता है. बी इट एनीथिंग. Our beliefs impact our feelings. Now we don't, the feeling हमें अपने बारे में आने लगती है, they are not some great feeling. And trust me, it all triggers with a couple of 1 or 2 negative thoughts about ourselves. या तो किसी और ने बोला है और हमने उसको बहुत ज्यादा सीरियसली ले लिया है, या किसी और ने जो बोला है उस पे ऐड करके हमने अपने थॉट्स बिल्ड कर लिए. Now it impacts our beliefs impact our feeling impact our action, and obviously अगर एक negative feeling या negative beliefs के साथ कोई action आएगा, by as a result जो thoughts हमें आएंगे वो और affirm हो जाएंगे. So are we talking back to our negative thoughts? It is very, very important. You need to be deliberate about learning something positive about yourself. Sorry, या past की history में जाइए. You need to affirm your positive actions about yourself. So do you know that negative thoughts trigger stress? They fuel self-criticism and comparison. Trust me, this comparison is a very, very dangerous word, leading to destructive self-talk and behavioral pattern. And then it creates that pattern. Thank God कोई हमारे हेल्थ के बारे में इस एलिमेंट के भी बारे में सोच रहा है, because it is just not about reducing weight. It is just not about reversal of say a lifestyle disorder. It is all about holistic health, and holistic health में mental well-being भी बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Positive thinking can help reverse negative pattern. Positive thoughts, however, create a sense of calmness, serenity, while paving the way for constructive actions. The magic of positive thinking comes into play in your weight management journey in a very, very big way. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हम भी ऐसे ही हुआ करते थे कि आप एक हफ्ता शिद्दत से कोई डाइट प्लान को करो एंड देन दैट वन समोसा कॉल्स यू, और फिर आप अपने आप को इतना ज्यादा बीट करने लगते हो, मेरे से तो होगा ही नहीं, मेरे में कंट्रोल ही नहीं है, मैं तो डिसिप्लिन ही नहीं हूँ. रिलैक्स, ओके, एक समोसा आपने खा लिया, कम बैक, because what we are talking over here is about a life journey. So it is very, very important to think positively, deliberately. It's more important. Are you able to break free from social triggers? Very, very important thing, very important thing. Social trigger, some events, some people, some places, we tend to lose control. For example, अगर मैं एक मूवी थिएटर में हूं, I forget मुझे कितना पॉपकॉर्न खाना चाहिए, राइट? ये चीट मेल, चीट डे, फरूक का बहुत अच्छा फिलोसफी है. चीट होता ही क्या है? अगर आपको पता है वो गलत है, इसीलिए आप उसको नाम दे रहे हो चीट, सो व्हाई ब्रिंग इट इन, राइट? व्हाई कैंट वी व्हाई कैंट वी हैव अ हैबिट वेयर लाइक इट्स ऑल परफेक्ट? एंड परफेक्ट नहीं भी है, एटलीस्ट वी कैन एम टुवर्ड्स दैट डायरेक्शन. लाइक कल मुझे ऐसे ही लग रहा था कि हाउ मेनी इयर्स हैव पास्ड बाय दैट आई नेवर हैड अ कोला, एंड फिर मैं सोच रहा था, एम आई मिसिंग समथिंग इन माय लाइफ? नो. अब मैं जबरदस्ती अपने आप को फील बैड क्यों कर रहा हूँ कि so many years have passed by, I didn't had my cola. So you need to think positive about yourselves. Now, do you know some social situations can trigger and hinder our health journey? When watching a movie with our family, indulging in snacks and neglecting physical activity is common. Extensive breakfast spreads can be tempting in restaurants. Earlier ये मेरी हैबिट नहीं थी. पहले मैं अगर किसी 5 स्टार में जा रहा हूँ फॉर अ ब्रेकफास्ट ड्यूरिंग माई वर्किंग टूर्स, एंड उसमें मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे सब कुछ टेस्ट करना जरूरी है. समवेयर वो इनकम्प्लीट फीलिंग आती थी कि अगर इन्होंने इतना अच्छा स्प्रेड रखा है तो व्हाई नॉट टू टेस्ट एवरीथिंग. नाउ आई नो व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी. पहले ऐसा होता था कि if I'm traveling, I would have something in a lounge, and then again I'll have something in the flight. Now I decide between the two, like what is important and where should I have my food, and I completely say no to the other one. Now, I'm not trying to brag or like rub, like, look, we are so perfect. What I'm trying to say is, we were also equally imperfect, but thank God through this program, we are learning कि जाना किस दिशा में है. That is more important. So 7 practical tips to help you break free from social trigger. Trust me, ये 7 तो मैं रीड आउट कर दूंगा आपके लिए, बट इसमें एक ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, इज द डिसीजन. And Farooq in the last session, he so beautifully said, either you do it or suffer. So now the minute you put suffer with that thing, कि अगर मैं ये नहीं किया तो I'm going to suffer, your positivity of doing that thing is much improved and it's much better. So keep a healthy snacks handy. I have a sweet tooth. Now why am I talking about me? Because I can only quote my example over here right now. So like instead of a sweet, I used to prefer to have a fruit. So sweet की craving ठीक हो जाती थी. Stick to your meal time. Very, very important. Plan ahead while traveling. So अगर आप कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, आप अपने मील्स को एडवांस में प्लान कर सकते हो कि आप कहाँ खाने वाले हो, कब खाने वाले हो. Pre-event eating, very, very important. Your probability, if you have already eaten at home and then you are going for a social function, the probability you will make the right choices or probably you will not even eat will be much higher. Mindful eating, table etiquette, and potluck gatherings. These are some of the tips which can help you to break free from social triggers. Are you moving enough? NEAT, there was a session on NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. A speaker so beautifully explained that पुराने जमाने में हम 10 से 12 घंटा दिन में इधर उधर चला करते थे. Now it has come down to as low as 20 to 25 minutes because of the information and technology age. So we learned that what is the importance of that movement and how it can have a positive impact on our health. Now, do you know that physical activities does much more than helping us maintain a healthy weight or a strong muscles? We learned in this session that how NEAT contributes more impact to your health rather than eat, which is like going to a gym or getting into a physical active, like वो जो एक trained activity जो हम करते हैं. So वो जो हम gym जाते हैं, that contributes to only 5% of a great health. But NEAT जो है, that contributes to almost 15% towards a great health. So it positively affects our brain health. When we do a lot of NEAT, it makes us happier and less prone to anger, thanks to the release of mood elevating chemicals called endorphins. So next time अगर आपको लग रहा है आपका मूड लो है, आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, just take a short walk, थोड़ा सा मूव करिए, देखिए does it improve it. और अगर नहीं improve होता तो और करिए, तब तक करिए जब तक वो improve ना हो जाए. Promotes better sleep and strengthens our immune system, helping us to stay healthier. It enhances टेलीमेर एक्टिविटी दैट प्रोटेक्ट्स देम, रिड्यूसेस. तो बेसिकली ये हमारे डीएनए का एक एलिमेंट होता है, ये उसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है, उसको डीजनरेशन करने से बचाता है. एंड इट बूस्ट सैटेलाइट सेल्स, प्रिजर्विंग स्केलेटन मसल्स एंड अल्टीमेटली प्रोटेक्टिंग आवर टेलीमेर्स. तो टेलीमेर जो होता है ये बेसिकली डीएनए का एक एलिमेंट होता है और यही जब डैमेज होता है, एजिंग इसी की वजह से इंपैक्ट करती है. नाउ टिप्स टू एंश्योर सम हायर एक्टिविटी, I'll not get into the detail. जब हमने उस सेशन में कवर किया था कि आप अपने नीड को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. जब आप ये डिसीजन ले लेंगे, आप खुद ही फिगर आउट करेंगे दैट हाउ क्रिएटिव यू कैन बिकम अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, दैट हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इन द होल ऑफ द डे. आर यू फीडिंग योर इमोशंस? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सॉरी. Now, do you know that emotional eating is cycle where emotions trigger overeating, often unhealthy foods? Now, जब हम emotionally low होते हैं, our probability of eating more is much higher, and the quality of food ऐसे time पे जो हम select करते हैं, it is not a good quality of food that we select normally. It is either a junk food or fast food, something like that. Now, हम emotionally कब low होते हैं? When you feel stressed, sad or anxious, right? Now, second wala element I'm not able to read because मेरा ही वो उस पे आ रहा है and I'm not able to remove that, so that you can read. The third one is this foods, mostly जो junk food हम जो select करते हैं, these foods often are high in sugar and unhealthy fats which provide a momentary mood boost, but long run में ये उतना impactful नहीं होता है. This is followed by guilt because अब आपने खा लिया तो अब आगे चल के guilt होने वाली है, and regret, intensifying the negative emotions. The cycle repeats as you seek comfort in food again. So this is like getting into a trap, and once you're deliberate about it, if you're low, that's the play, that's the time. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमारा जो मूड होता है वो लो होता है और हम बहुत सारे डिसीजंस लेते हैं. Sometimes it is other way around is also true. Because you are low, and hence if you can make the right choices, it helps you to elevate your mood and emotion. कई बार करके देखिए, if you are sad, योर बॉडी ऐसे आगे की तरफ झुका रहेगा, एकदम ऐसे सिकुड़ा रहेगा, आप ऐसे यू आर नॉट लाइक ऐसे झुके रहोगे. सो बिकॉज यू आर फीलिंग सैड, दैट्स योर फिजिकल अपीयरेंस. Now see the other way around. If you are feeling sad और आप एकदम ऐसे करके बैठे हो, it also helps you to elevate your mood. Similarly, it goes for food also. If you're low, the choices of food that you're making is not good. Now, if you can change the choices of food, your probability of reversing your emotionally low is also higher. So think about it. To break this cycle, it's essential managing emotions in ways other than food. For example, recognizing emotional triggers, right? वो क्या trigger? Now, sometimes ऐसा होता है कि some messages from some people, it just triggers your mood. And it absolutely puts you in a low. Or for example, if you don't get the result that you were designing about, it's okay. Finding healthier coping mechanisms, fostering mindful eating habits. These are some of the important tips that you can pick up which can elevate your emotions. Have you set your goals correctly? Now, इस प्रोग्राम में आप और कोई गोल लीजिए या मत लीजिए, एक गोल सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, is your health span matching your lifespan. What it means is जो फरूक का मंत्रा है, हर घर तंदुरुस्त, हर घर मेडिसिन फ्री. अगर आप इस प्रोग्राम में हो, एटलीस्ट एक गोल जो आप लेके जा सकते हो अपने लिए कि हम आई वांट टू लिव अ मेडिसिन फ्री लाइफ. Now, do you know that setting goals can help with healthy weight and living your best life? You know, you feel good about yourself if you set up some personal goals. Now, goal setting isn't just about aiming high. What it means is it's a systematic process, much like planning a journey. So it is like a lifelong journey. You wouldn't set off on a trip without a roadmap, would you? Breaking down your overarching goal into smaller, manageable steps is essential. So जब आप इधर गोल सेटिंग देखते हैं, आपके जो हेल्थ बडी है, आपके जो पार्टनर्स है, जो मेंटोर है, वो आपको राइट गोल सेट करने में आपकी मदद करते हैं, which is like very very important. Now, some strategies to achieve your goal: set realistic goals, begin with smaller achievable goals to maintain motivation. अगर आप एक कम्युनिटी का हिस्सा हैं, कई बार आप देखेंगे रिजल्ट आपको नहीं आ रहा है, but if the other guy is following the same principle and if they are getting results, trust me, it is very motivating, because then you build that faith, you know, if it's happening for them, it is going to happen for me. Find a role model. Look up to someone who inspires you, even if it's not a celebrity. Trust me, in this community, especially जो हमने ये जो community है, you will find a lot of role models, right? आपको अगर आपको लगता है busy हो, trust me, our health buddies once upon a time they were much busier than you. अगर आपको लगता है आप एक ऐसे background से आते हैं जहाँ पे ये आपके DNA में ही नहीं है, trust me, you can turn around that also. अगर आपको लगता है आपकी एज हो गई और अब करके क्या फायदा है, ट्रस्ट मी, यू आर गोइंग टू मीट समवन जो उसने उसको भी ट्रांसफॉर्म किया. अगर आपको लगता है यू आर टू यंग, ये सब सोचने की क्या जरूरत है, you are going to meet somebody who is younger than you and they give importance to this, and then as a result of this you can see the positive impact that they have on their overall lifestyle. So you know, that's the positive thing when you find a buddy or a running partner. Break goals into smaller steps, divide your goals into manageable milestones, reward yourself, celebrate achievements no matter how minor it was, because sometimes it is not about absolutely achieving that, but sometimes it is more important achieving about that thought process that we were carrying. Seek support. Build a support system with family and friends. And this is the best, you know, अगर आप अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे और अगर आपको देख के आपकी फैमिली में इसका पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट आएगा, ट्रस्ट मी, इससे बड़ा गिफ्ट हम अपनी फैमिली को और कुछ नहीं दे सकते. Stay positive and motivated. Maintain a positive outlook and stay motivated. So some goals for you to get started, like 0 से 10 के कुछ गोल हम यहाँ पे आपको दिखा रहे हैं, आप इसमें से अपने लिए पिक कर सकते हैं. It's like you can have a goal of having a 0 processed food. This is something that inspires me. Aim for at least 1 hour of exercise or reading daily. Consume at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Include 3 cups of green tea or green juice. Take 4 mental breaks or stretch breaks. Reflect on 5 things you are grateful for. Very, very important. Having an attitude of gratitude. कई बारी हमारे स्ट्रेस लेवल को, हमारे एटीट्यूड को कंट्रोल करने में बहुत ज्यादा मदद करता है. Practice meditation at 6 a.m. Laugh for at least 7 minutes daily. Aim for 8 hours of sleep. Get ready for the bed by 9 p.m. Strive for 10,000 steps every day. So ये कुछ गोल है जो आप यहाँ से ले सकते हैं, और जब आप इस कम्युनिटी का हिस्सा बनेंगे आप देखेंगे हाउ दिस होल फिलोसफी is designed to help you to achieve this 10 parameters which I just spoke about, right? At the end, what we learn is shine every day. So what does shine mean? Start every day with gratitude and optimism. Have your nutrition on time and daily. Nutrition is very important because the lack of nutrition can lead to you. In fact, they only lead to a lot of lifestyle disorders today. So अगर आपका न्यूट्रिशन बैलेंस्ड है, आपकी बॉडी में ऑप्टिमम लेवल पे है, आप देखेंगे कि बॉडी क्रेव नहीं करेगा, स्टार्व नहीं करेगा, ओवर ईटिंग नहीं करेगा, एंड वॉट एवर हेल्थ गोल यू सेलेक्ट फॉर योर सेल्फ or you feel that is important, you will be able to achieve that. Your intention and visualize and set clear intention. Trust me, I want to, like, my intention is very clear. Like, we have our role model is Farokh Tarapur. वो एक बेंचमार्क हमारे लिए क्रिएट करके रखे हैं कि जब हम उनकी एज में होंगे ऐसे हमें होना चाहिए. Now if you have your directions clear, that's the quality of life you can visualize for yourself. Learn something new every day. I hope that you picked up something for yourself today, and exercise daily, the most important thing. Because when we exercise, Farokh beautifully says, you rest, you rust, you rust, you die. So hence don't rest. So you pick what is important to you. You've been a great audience. Thank you very much. Over to Ruchita.
Thank you so much, Raj. I think that was wonderfully summarized, and we keep listening to all these sessions week after week. And this is it. This is what we need to do. These are the steps. I think it was perfectly explained. Let's work towards our goals. If anybody has any questions, they can raise their hand. All right. I guess not. Thank you, everyone. You've been a great audience. Good night. Take care. See you in the next session.